Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The SLK Halo pickleball paddles are designed to elevate players' performance by combining cutting-edge technology and premium materials. Available in two variants, the Halo Pro and Halo Control, these paddles cater to diverse playstyles, ensuring exceptional spin, power, and consistency. Both paddles feature a RevCore power polymer core, engineered to provide a balance of power and control, catering to both offensive and defensive players. The T700 raw carbon fiber surface is a standout feature, delivering unmatched spin potential and precision. This advanced material allows players to execute spin-heavy shots with consistent accuracy, giving a competitive edge on the court. The Halo Pro model emphasizes power and spin, making it ideal for aggressive players looking to dominate rallies. In contrast, the Halo Control focuses on delivering greater finesse and accuracy, making it perfect for those prioritizing precision and touch. This dual approach ensures that both power hitters and control-oriented players find their ideal match. The paddles also boast an ultra-comfortable grip that reduces fatigue during extended play sessions, enhancing overall gameplay. Lightweight and durable, these paddles are designed for players of all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Whether you're looking to improve spin, maintain consistent shot placement, or enhance overall performance, the SLK Halo pickleball paddles deliver an exceptional combination of cutting-edge technology and playability. Their versatile designs cater to a wide range of playing styles, making them a reliable choice for anyone seeking a competitive edge. Number 2. This pickleball paddle set offers you Sapp-approved equipment designed for players of all levels, making it an excellent choice for both recreational and competitive play. The set includes durable pickleball paddles, ensuring a complete and convenient experience for individuals or families. Each paddle features a fiberglass surface, providing an ideal balance of power and control. This lightweight yet sturdy material enhances shot precision, making it suitable for a variety of playing styles. The paddles also incorporate a polymer honeycomb core, known for its durability and responsive feel, delivering consistent performance on the court. Designed for comfort, the paddles come with an ergonomic, cushioned grip to minimize hand fatigue during extended games. The anti-slip texture ensures a secure hold, improving control even in intense matches. These features make the paddles equally suitable for men, women, and players of all ages. The set is versatile and user-friendly, making it a great option for beginners learning the game or experienced players looking to upgrade their gear. It typically includes additional accessories such as pickleballs and a convenient carry bag for easy transport and storage. Approved by USAPA, this pickleball paddle set meets professional standards, ensuring a reliable and enjoyable playing experience. The combination of high-quality materials, thoughtful design, and affordability makes it a valuable option for those seeking durable and effective pickleball equipment. Whether for casual play or competitive matches, this set is a great investment for players of all skill levels. Number 3. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is an excellent package for players seeking quality and value. It includes 2 paddles, 3 pickleballs, and a carrying bag, providing everything needed for a game, whether for beginners or seasoned players. The standout feature of this bundle is the G4 Graphite face on the paddles, which offers enhanced precision and control. Graphite is known for its lightweight and responsive properties, allowing players to execute shots with accuracy while maintaining comfort during long matches. Paired with the polymer RevCore, the paddles deliver a perfect balance of power and control, making them versatile for different playing styles. The ergonomic paddle design includes a comfortable, cushioned grip that ensures a secure hold and reduces hand fatigue. This makes it easier to maintain control during extended play and intense rallies. The paddles are lightweight, allowing for quick reactions and effortless maneuverability on the court. The set also includes 3 pickleballs, which are durable and designed for consistent performance across various playing conditions. The convenient carrying bag makes transporting and storing the equipment hassle-free, keeping everything organized and ready for play. Ideal for players of all skill levels, the Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle offers high-quality paddles with advanced materials, ensuring durability and excellent performance. Whether you're practicing, playing casually, or competing, this bundle provides a reliable and enjoyable pickleball experience. It's a well-rounded choice for anyone looking to step up their game with professional-grade gear. Number 4. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is a premium choice designed for players who value performance, precision, and comfort. Built with advanced materials and thoughtful design, it caters to all skill levels, from beginners to competitive athletes. The paddle features a graphite carbon fiber face, known for its lightweight construction and responsive touch. This material ensures excellent ball control and accuracy, allowing players to execute precise shots and maintain consistency during matches. The paddle's design also delivers a good balance of power, making it versatile for various playing styles. At the core of the Z5 is a Onix honeycomb core, which enhances durability and provides a solid feel. This combination of a graphite face and Onix core results in a paddle that excels in both power and finesse, making it ideal for strategic gameplay. Comfort is another highlight of the Mod Z5. The paddle is equipped with a cushion comfort grip, which reduces hand fatigue and ensures a secure, slip-free hold during extended play. This ergonomic grip enhances control, allowing players to focus on their performance without discomfort. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5's sleek design and reliable build make it a popular choice among pickleball enthusiasts. Lightweight and durable, it offers players the ability to react quickly and maneuver effortlessly on the court. Whether you're seeking enhanced spin, power, or control, the Onix Mod Z5 delivers a balanced performance. It's an excellent option for those looking to improve their game with a high-quality paddle that combines advanced materials, thoughtful design, and user-friendly features. Number 5. The Jola Essentials Pickleball Paddle offers a perfect blend of performance, durability, and comfort, making it a great choice for players of all levels. Built with premium materials, this paddle ensures consistency and reliability on the court. The paddle features a reinforced fiberglass surface, providing excellent power and control. This durable material allows for impactful shots while maintaining precision, making it versatile for both offensive and defensive playstyles. The fiberglass surface enhances responsiveness, giving players better control over spin and placement. At the core of the paddle is a honeycomb polypropylene core, which is lightweight yet sturdy. This core delivers a soft feel and reduces vibration, improving shot consistency and comfort. Its construction ensures excellent energy transfer, allowing players to achieve powerful hits without compromising control. The ergonomic design includes a comfortable grip, offering a secure hold for extended gameplay. The paddle's balanced weight makes it easy to maneuver, enabling quick reactions and agility on the court. Whether you're a beginner looking to develop your skills or an experienced player seeking a reliable paddle, the Joola Essentials combines advanced materials with a user-friendly design. Its fiberglass surface, paired with a polypropylene core, provides the power, control, and comfort needed to elevate your performance. This paddle is a durable, well-rounded option for anyone looking to enhance their pickleball experience. It's an excellent choice for recreational play and competitive matches alike, delivering consistent results and enjoyable gameplay.